These ham-wrapped cheeseburgers with a cream sauce are decadent, delicious, and definitely made for a cheat day. First, grab a pound of ground beef. No matter what fat consistency, it doesn't really matter, your preference. Flat them out to a thin patty. Next, we're going to stuff them with about 2 tablespoons of your favorite cheese. I'm using cheddar and mozzarella for the sharp flavor and the stretch factor. Next, we're going to fold and tuck it so it's sealed. Going to create a nice cylinder here. Next, we're going to roll the hamburger in any of the remaining shredded cheese. Waste not, want not. Next, grab a slice of ham and a toothpick per burger. Wrap the hamburger up in the ham. Skewer them with a little bit of waste from the top so the top will lay flat in the skillet when frying them. Then we get the skillet with the lid, and we're going to start to melt 4 tablespoons of butter in it. Add all of your favorite seasonings here. I'm going to use a teaspoon of onion, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of minced onion, 2 teaspoons paprika, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon MSG or accent, and mix the seasonings in with the melted butter in the frying pan until all the butter's melted and the season is incorporated into the butter. Next, we're going to put the cheeseburger wraps into the skillet, top side down, either open side down or the side closest to the toothpick. We're going to brown this for 3 to 5 minutes until golden brown, and then we're going to flip them and do the same on the bottom. Next, we're going to add a cup and a half of white wine, or red wine if you prefer. That would go good with the beef too. Simmer covered for about 15 minutes or until 165 degrees internally. Next, measure out a cup and a half of dairy. Whipping cream or half and half will work. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Whisk in very well. This will be our thickening agent. Then we're going to remove the cheeseburgers, put them on a plate, whisk in the dairy. We're going to bring this up to a boil, turn it down to medium heat, and continue to bubble and mix until it thickens to a gravy-like consistency. Now remove the toothpicks, add gravy sauce to the top. Either smother it or just get all fancy-like and drizzle it on top, your choice. And we have the rich, decadent cheeseburger. Keto-friendly, outrageously good. Very good. Thanks for watching Randy's Family Kitchen. We'll see you next time.